Can you hear the noise? It's like that every Friday. But before going here in the public market, I pass one fruits and vegetable store, just the regular, the small one. And I saw that their pomegranate is 6.90 shekels. I didn't buy because I want to check first here if there is cheapest, because today it's Friday. But unfortunately, the store where I bought, they don't have any more. Flowers. Flowers. See? I will just go for that store. The first one that I saw. I'll just buy there. It's the store. See? 6.90 per kilo. Maybe I'll just buy 3 pieces. But it's not so fresh. Hopefully it's still good inside. 3 pieces. I'll just buy 3 pieces. So this is the store. It's outside the public market. 3 pieces is 10 shekels. Tantararan! It's raining so hard. Basa na yung medyas ko. Nabasa na. Buti nag-crocs lang ako. Bed weather today. Kaya lang, hindi ako pwede magstay sa bed kasi I need to work. But ganoon. Diba ang sarap lang humilata, matulog, kumain kapag ka naulan.